So, I've got my oh, hard case. I've got my wooden float from the garage where my tools are. It's a bit funny. Now, this is the camera at the right angle. I mixed up another bucket of mud. Okay, that's slightly going uphill, so I don't follow that too much. Let's get it level. That's a little bit too short. Let's say that's pretty good. Nice there. Now you see the screen goes over this. It doesn't have to be super neat. In my last video there was an open gap because I had no door, so it had to look neat. This doesn't have to be perfect because it all gets covered by an aluminium screen. There is glass, so it's about 6 mil wide. So, and then they've got silicone sort of thing. You don't have to be super perfect, but you know, not Mr. Ruffy either. So what we're doing here is the same as what I've got at the front there. I know that aluminium is level. Now can you see that? Beauty boy. Knee pads, don't ever kneel down in cement without knee pads on. You shouldn't even kneel on a concrete floor without some sort of protection to your knees, because you get infections big time. I should cut a stick of timber. I might do that. Make it easier. Then you can see what I'm doing properly.